In this video, I'll be showing you guys the method to use for the state of Mississippi. So grab a pen, stay with me, and let's break it down. What's up everyone, and I hope all of you are well, and if you're new to the channel, thanks for tuning in. After studying how Mississippi numbers move in each draw, I discovered the workout to use in this state. And in today's video, I'm going to break it down step by step so you'll know exactly how to use it. For today's example, I'll be starting with Mississippi date March 30th, 2026 to find the evening hit. So let's dive in. Now the way that you start setting up this workout is by taking your previous hit numbers and add them all the way down and stop before the top numbers repeat. So for me, I will take my previous numbers, which is 0016, and add all the way down and stop before those top digits repeat. Here's what that looks like. After you have finished setting up the workout, the next step is to know which date sum to use. For this workout, you have to use two date sum digits from two different days. For the state of Mississippi, the date sum that is to be used is your current day, month plus day date sum, and the back 4 days, month plus day date sum. When applying those date sum digits in the workout, you will use one digit each from those dates. When adding the second date sum from 4 days back, once you add that month and day in the month together, you will use its mirror digit from the number you got after adding it up. Now that you guys understand that, it's now time to apply your current day date sum first in the workout. So for me, I will add my current day date sum from the date March 30th, 2026, which gives me the digit 3, and circle that digit in the workout. This is what that looks like. Once you have added your current day date sum in the workout, it's now time to add the second one. When adding the second date sum in the workout, you have to go back 4 days starting from your current day. After you have went back 4 days, you will then add that month and day in the month up together. Once you get the add from that digit, you will then circle its mirror digit in the workout. So for me, I will go back 4 days starting from my current day, which is the day March 27, 2026, then add the month and day in the month up together, which gives me the digit 0, then take the mirror digit from the digit 0, which is the digit 5, and then circle that digit in the workout. This is how that looks. After you have your date sum digits in place, it's now time to look for your hits. For the state of Mississippi right now, whichever numbers that hit last in your pick 4 draw, you will do your workout from those numbers. This is what's working for your state as of right now. To help narrow your numbers down a bit more, here is how you get your first winning digit for your upcoming pick 4 draw. What you do is add your current day, month, day in the month, and year up together. So for me, I would add the month, day in the month, and year up together like this: 0 plus 3 plus 3 plus 0 plus 2 plus 0 plus 2 plus 6. And then take the digit I got from adding those numbers up, which is the digit 6, and put that aside to use with the rest of the picks I choose. There's no need for an example. On March the 30th, 2026 evening time, the number that hit for that night was 6628. Here's a side by side so you can see the way it came. Well, I hope y'all enjoy the video. There is more in store where that came from. And North Carolina, your video is up next, so make sure to be on the lookout. Thank you for watching and feel free to comment.